If the internet suddenly goes down everywhere, listen carefully. No social media, no news, no GPS, no banks. When that happens, you won't be able to search for what to do. So take this information now, because once the signal is gone, you will be on your own. At first you'll think it's your Wi-Fi. You'll restart the router, your phone, maybe even check the cables, but nothing will reconnect. Then you'll realize it's not just you. The whole neighborhood is offline. No messages, no updates, no explanations. Within minutes, panic will start. People will rush to ATMs that don't work. Digital payments will not work. Everything is digital. Everything will stop. Stay calm. Keep your phone charged, just in case the network returns. Find a radio, any radio. Old analog signals might still carry real information. If you're with family, stay together. If you're alone, go to a safe place with others. There will be chaos. People may start committing crimes. Fear travels faster than truth. And if the silence lasts too long, remember, this is how the world looks when the internet disappears.